and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? I'm J Castro MUA. Thanks for being here, thanks for watching. Sorry guys, I have a little bit of a cold, so my throat is like wonky today. But today I created this look using all of the products in the Shayla and Colourpop collection. It's a good one. It's a good collection. I'll show you what's inside. Just want to say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. The paint splatter is really pretty. So here's the collection. We've got the eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, 3 lipsticks, and 2 highlighters. I'm so excited to try this out. I've been dying for it to be released, and now that it's here, I can't wait to play with it. Let's get started. So here's the Perception palette. Here are the swatches for the eyeshadow palette. So you've got some shimmery shades and some matte shades. These colors are really, really gorgeous. Taking the Perception palette, I'm going to go into Culture first and blend that into the crease. I'm going to take Thick and blend that into Culture. Next, I'll be taking Revenge and packing that on the inner corner and the outer corner. Next, I'll be going into Played Out and packing that on top of Revenge. Taking some concealer and a detailing brush, I'm going to create a halo. Going back into Revenge, I'm just going to blend that into the concealer. And then doing the same thing with Played Out. So taking the Veramona packing brush, I'm going to go into Sassy and pack that over the concealer. And again, taking Played Out, I'm going to blend that into Sassy. I've completed one eye. I'm going to complete the other off of camera, and I'll be right back. Comes with 2 different highlighters. They're very, very pretty. Here are the swatches. I will be using both of these highlighters, just not both on my face, just because Pose is more for like a darker skin tone. So I might just use them on my shoulder to show you what it looks like. So first, I'm going in with Boomin. Whoa. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. I'm not really looking in the way of the monitor, so I don't know if it's being caught. Oh, there we go. If I move, you can catch it. Whoa. So it's very pigmented. It's very, very, very nice. Can't believe how pretty this is. So now I'm taking Pose. I'm just going to show you what it looks like on my shoulders. I mean, do you see that shine? Oh God, I hope so. I can see it from here. It's really pretty. collection came with 3 lipsticks and a lip gloss. I'm going to show you the swatches. The swatch on top is O, the second swatch is Come On Sis, and the third swatch is Quickie. And then the lip gloss swatch is Neat Freak. I'll be wearing Come On Sis. And on top, I'm going to be using the lip gloss. Holy crap, that is glossy. Alright guys, that concludes my makeup look for the Shayla and Colourpop collab. I've got to tell you, I love all of it. The eyeshadows are smooth, pigmented, they blend out very easily. The lipsticks, they're creamy. Love how creamy they are. They're very nice. They're very, very pretty shades. The lip gloss is just unbelievable, and the highlighters are amazing. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can really see it on my shoulder, but whatever. I tried swatching it, but honestly, I am so in love with this collab. They did an amazing job. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.